Well, hello. I'm going to show you very quickly how to create an interactive slideshow. And this particular interactive slideshow is just going to link um, text, or you could do pictures, but I'm going to do text to another part of your slide show. You also can do this by linking words or images to websites or things like that. But for today, we're just going to link words in the slideshow to different slides. So this is called Blake's Story. So first of all, you have to open up Google Slides and always title it. Remember, I always tell you have to title your slides. And this is called Blake's Story. And this has to do with your assignment in Schoology. An interactive presentation about cyberbullying, being an upstander, or being a bystander. And what you have to do is you've got to create multiple slides in order to link, but we'll just start with the next slide. We're going to type out the story. I just said one day during school, Blake received a group text message from someone saying that he was ugly and he had no friends. And little insert here, first of all, you sixth graders know that your phones are to be turned off during the school day, but that's for another story. As the day went along, more people became involved in the group chat. Many people were adding more comments to the text. By that evening, there were over 25 comments on the original text message. If you were an upstander, what would your comments look like? What would your comments look like if you were a bystander? I need to move this over. Okay, so I've already linked this one just to show you what it looks like, but then I'm going to show you how to link another slide to make it interactive on the word bystander. But if you were an upstander, so if I click on that, it says, what would your comments look like? I'm going to click on upstander. Well, it's not going to, you know what? It's not going to work till I present. Let me present it for you. Okay, here's the story again. One day, Blake received a message, la da da. Okay, if I click on upstander, it will take me to an upstander comment slide that I've already created. And I've listed here some upstander comments. And then if I go to the next slide, it's basically the ending of the story. You can make yours a little bit longer than that. This is just for information purposes how to do it, so mine's kind of short. So now I'm going to go back to my slideshow, and I've already created a slide at slide number 5 with the bystander comments. These are what bystanders would possibly do in this scenario or this situation. So this is slide 5. So I'm going to go back to my story. I'm going to highlight over the word bystander. And I'm going to click the little link right here where it says insert link. You could also go up here in the toolbar to insert link. It works both ways, but you just click on the insert link, and then it's telling you the text is the word bystander is going to be linked. And this is where you could link it to a website or something like that, but I'm going to link it to different slides in this presentation. So I'm going to click slides in this presentation, and I don't want the next slide. I want slide 5. There we go, the one with the bystander comments. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to click apply. Okay, so now if I go back and present, I'm going to present. Here's my story. And now you see how bystander is also highlighted, different color. So I'm going to click on bystander. What would your comments look like if you were it says A, there's a letter A under my picture. Hi. If you were a bystander. So I'm going to click on bystander, and you can see it takes you to the slide that says bystander comments, and I've just listed a few of them here. So that's basically how you create an interactive slideshow on Google Slides, and that is your assignment in Schoology. So enjoy it and have fun.